Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners of class 5, good morning. Hope all of you are keeping well with your parents and other family members by the grace of Almighty Allah in these days of Ramadan. I am also fine by His mercy. Dear girls, I also hope you all are staying at home and following the rules of health. Dear learners, welcome to the online class of your school, that is Dr. Khaltagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. I'm Shahnaz Akhtar, your English teacher. So, today I'm going to take another English class for you. Girls, you know now you have to take your English for Today book and other necessary things with you to start our today's class. Let's start. Dear learners, look at the picture. What can you see in this picture? Well, in this picture, we can see various types of food. We can see meat, fish, milk, bread, egg, fruits, vegetable, cheese, etc. That is, we can see the food of different groups. Here, in this picture, we get the food of each level of food pyramid, which I have discussed in my previous class. Girls, now think why we should eat all this food? Yes, if we eat these foods, we will be healthy. These are the foods that make us healthy. So girls, today we will discuss the topic Be Healthy. Unit 7, lesson 1 to 5 and page number is 26, 27. From this lesson, we will know which foods are healthy and which are not. Okay, now as usual, I will discuss the meaning of some words for you. This discussion will help you to understand the text and matching column A with column B. Okay, our today's words are, first word is delicious. It's an adjective and the meaning of delicious is tasty, or you can say mouth-watering. Then next word is regularly. It's an adverb and the meaning is usually or frequently. Our third word is favorite. It's an adjective and meaning is best loved or special. Next word, quickly. Adverb and meaning is first or swiftly. Then comes the word melt. It's a verb and the meaning is soften or dissolve. Our today's last word is weather and it's a noun. And it's the weather is the state of the atmosphere. Okay, girls, now we will read the text. Look, in this text, we have two girls. One is Seema and the other is Nasrin. This text is the conversation between Seema and Nasrin. Look, what Seema is saying. Seema is saying, "What are you doing, Nasrin?" Nasrin replied, "I am putting some chocolate on my ice cream. Ice cream is delicious with chocolate." Then Seema said, "Well, it looks good, but you shouldn't eat a lot of chocolate or ice cream." Nasrin replied, "Of course, I don't eat them regularly." Then Seema again said, Seema asked actually, "What kind of food do you eat regularly?" Nasrin replied, "Oh, fruits and vegetables." I love pineapples and bananas. They are my favorites. I eat cucumbers and lettuce a lot too. Then Seema said, I eat fruits and vegetables every day. Carrots and tomatoes are my favorites, but I also like strawberries and bananas. Then Seema asked, would you like to try some of, Nasrin said, would you like to try some of my ice cream with chocolate? We should eat it quickly. It will melt soon in this hot weather. Then Seema said, okay, thanks. Thus, I think you also have finished reading the text. Now, we will solve the question items which are given from the text. Today, I will discuss fill in the blanks. In my previous class, I have discussed matching. So today, I have selected fill in the blanks for practice, as there are two types of question items for question number 1. Our given words are, for filling the blanks, the given words are have, melt, palatable, making, simmer, melting, and sour. And the given lines are number A, hot weather is responsible for dash ice cream. Number B, ice cream is dash with chocolate. Number C, both Seema and Nasrin dash fruits and vegetables regularly. Number D, dash likes carrots and tomatoes. Number E, ice cream dash soon in hot weather. Girls, try to fill in the blanks. Okay, now check your answers. Hot weather is, from our reading, we know that hot weather is responsible for what? Yes, melting ice cream. Then number B, ice cream is palatable. Okay, this palatable means pleasant to taste. Palatable means pleasant to taste. Ice cream is palatable with chocolate. Both Seema and Nasrin have fruits and vegetables regularly. Okay, who likes carrots and tomatoes? We know Seema. Seema likes carrots and tomatoes. Then last line is ice cream dash soon in hot weather. Yes, we know ice cream melts soon in hot weather. Okay, girls, now come to the next activity. It's true false. Read the following statements, write true for the correct statement and false for the incorrect statement. Our given statements are, chocolate makes ice cream delicious. Number B, we should take a lot of chocolate or ice cream. Number C, Nasrin often eats fruits and vegetables. Number D, Seema's favorite vegetables are carrots and tomatoes. Number E, ice cream with chocolate melts soon in hot weather. Number A, Nasrin doesn't have chocolate or ice cream every day. Girls, for this, if needed, you can read the text again and try to find out which statement is correct and which is not correct. Okay, now check. Chocolate makes ice cream delicious. Yes, it's true. We should take a lot of chocolate or ice cream. No, chocolate or ice cream is not a healthy food, so we should not take a lot of chocolate or ice cream. So the statement is false. Nasrin often eats fruits and vegetables. Yes, true. Seema's favorite vegetables are carrots and tomatoes. Yes, true. Ice cream with chocolate made soon in hot weather. Yes, true. Then Nasrin doesn't have chocolate or ice cream every day. Yes, it also true. Okay, come to the next slide. Now I will discuss some questions answered for you. Our first question is, how is ice cream delicious? It has another part. Why should we eat ice cream quickly? Number B. Which food Nasrin doesn't eat regularly? Number C. Which foods should be eaten regularly? Number D. Which vegetables does Nasrin eat a lot? Number E. What are Shima's favorite food? Number A. What are Nasrin's favorite foods? Okay, girls, try to write the answers. I know you all will do it. Let's check our answer. The answer to the question number A, how is ice cream delicious? Answer is ice cream with chocolate is delicious. Why should we eat ice cream quickly? We should eat ice cream quickly because it melts in hot weather. Number B. Which food Nasrin doesn't eat regularly? Nasrin doesn't eat ice cream regularly. Number C. Which foods should be eaten regularly? We all know fruits and vegetables should be eaten regularly. What are Sima's favorite food? Which vegetables does Nasrin eat a lot? Nasrin eats cucumber and lettuce a lot. Then number E, what are Sima's favorite food? Carrots and vegetables are Sima's favorite food. What are number 8, last question, what are Nasrin's favorite fruits? Pineapples and bananas are Nasrin's favorite fruits. Girls, now I have a homework for you. It's write a short composition about a healthy meal you ate. You can use the following words. These words are vegetables, lentils, fruit, healthy, daily, unhealthy, wild. Girls, in our last class, we have written a composition on good food. Now you have to write a composition about a healthy meal that you have eaten, okay? So girls, that's all for today. Thanks for attending my class. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.